Our entire tech stack refresh program was called Lasso or Project Lasso for Ted Lasso because we wanted everyone to really believe that this was going to get done and believe that it would be better for them. And it really was the perfect storyline to attach to this project. So we had the Lasso newsletter that again had similar segments or people could expect to get the information that they needed. So program updates, if there's a new tool that's about to go live, what to expect, training updates. And then another really huge piece to that was around like contests and engagement. So we built a Teams channel where it wasn't just about the tools, but about stories. So we pulled in a lot of stories from Ted Lasso, a lot of analogies, metaphors around, things are hard, but you'll figure it out, and have other folks around the entire organization share their stories around things not being perfect or whatever it may be. So it really tied more into feelings and emotions. And we rarely talked about actual workflows and training in that Teams channel. It was just about building community and getting people talking to one another cross functionally. So it was really fun. And people were excited to see these posts.